Hi, I'm Jason Rogers from Centennial, Colorado, and I'm on the Body by Body Challenge. I lost another 10 pounds. I'm so excited because that's that much closer to no longer being obese. I've been obese ever since halfway through my oldest son's pregnancy, he is now 16 years old, so that is quite a while, all this baby weight. But I'm getting rid of it, and I'm getting healthier so I can live for my family and do God's work. So let's see how it's going. Yay! So I lost it! Woo! I'm a Project 10 winner, and I've now lost 70 pounds. So join me on the Body by Body Challenge.